Nilip Youth celebrates second birth anniversary come third youth meet. Good morning and warm welcome to Karbi Anglong Live English Primetime News. I'm Jal Jeevan Mission with the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. The All Nilip Youth had on Wednesday celebrated its second birth anniversary program in conjunction with the third youth meet. The program was held at Lokhiram Rongpar village in Upper Degrum under Nilip MSC constituency. It was organized in this village as a tribute to the two innocent girls who were murdered last month. To begin the program, All Nilip Youth President Rilipson Timung unfurled the organization's flag in the morning, and it was followed by floral tribute and lighting of candles in the memory of Subita Hansepi and Anisha Intipi. A painting session was also conducted before the public meeting was held. The public meeting cum awareness program began at 12 noon and was chaired by the President Rilipson Timung and assisted by the Secretary Sotro Singh Tiso. Among the guests who attended the event were Assistant Professor of Diphu Golf College Megi Katharpi, KSA President Thang Sing Timung and Simeon Rongpar, All Nilip Youth Advisor Barnabas Killing, former KACMAC Samson Tiso, actress Hunmili Teronpi, Atulin Tokbipi, several SGBs and local leaders. Speaking in the occasion, Assistant Professor Megi Katharpi emphasized on the role of govt, parents as well as individual efforts for development of education. She also said that only collective efforts can bring proper educational atmosphere in the region. All Nilip Youth Advisor expressed his disappointment over the negligence of the authority towards the constituency. He lamented on the poor condition of infrastructure including road as well as other facilities in the area. He said that if the KAC leaders attended the program, they could have known the poor condition under which people are living.
Nang lidak ke bang pen ning karong rumam.
Sonni lam do. Son bangge ning karong. Aben ning oi ta do. Ining ge oi pena jok sini dak ba. Kali sonte apa mungkin dan ithan do. Ni bang beda ta chok anu ka prek ke bang jitum ta do ulang. Bang tek service da tum ta do ulah ke than kon ji phan. Seta me ining ge oi adim bang ke lalo. Non het imu martom apran ke dam nang ju acham ke dam nang ju ke ining oi me me di. La penya phang ben da pulo. Itum kar bi ham phang long ke swarlo din hepik ikul ke chelar pen ke chenglo chelar dok to. Di swarlo phana din ke pek o. Loka charli kuno ka dok ve hina na tuta swarlo phan ka din pek. Peko. Ampen itum kar bi pen kaning je ver ke na pulo. Supin sunon swarlo no arna mang thiang kroilo pudi. La sila so hin pelelang dam lo pulo tang pe swarlo din ke the pek itu. Piniar ni bang adim lelang dam pusutami itum kar bi ke swarlo tum ke adim the o. Sitame la hai hi ang thekno nang ke klang bom ke itum aham phang ke abi vi tu warna tu ke dam nang klang dalo. La sila bang so dima bang ke abang phutina swarlo peni mumar tum ansitami chichini nang ji alang tum loka charli jakong alang li tumare deng di sarkar pen sitami tum ham phang ben sitami ki pitang do elo la sila bang so jakong bang kalang tum chirim dun pamen nang ji pe po tum ansitami la bang so jakong ke ki pidun thura kapathe kapading ra la tum pachan jai ji phan la tum phan ajakong ansu se jakong hora pidun nang ji la pen ining karong bang ke la lo
atok bidam lupute bang rat nang thelongi ke bang tum anan nang thelongi la suke ma thapen isi bag nang chakangi mane nang bunai pi manji nang bunai pi ponji ma development mane isi bag development nang pi ponji ma pomen betum an khelu mane aluhi ke chuhang ke bang ke kostu ke durbo ni chini la tame darang binang ko kathegel han ache ilitum thelong lo churu ta churu nei ilitum CM sar tame ke dam adiman ta isi hini ke chakang mane bachun da bachu ben pon son tak si hola juntu nitum bas ke hang pen nitum mana pipit poteng sonak taksi alang nitum dag bang pen nang thek anglong ke sung ke duk pima ke thek anglong kawi ke thek anglong putin nitum memorandum ke pidunji hora memorandum lo ke tokdo hoso ke tok long pese alang tum isi hini ke thom pli wet le pachun pistame nitum dak All Nilip Youth matela dak lukramong fararong same aning sampo
enlo la pen chingkilo kachingki ka chethana tengpen ke thekdam long bang ke lalo la pen result bang ke lalo nile tum dak awareness ka we isi bang ke la pen isi bang ke development ka we la sub bang so jeni si muni tum kwan ma ke paprang du nang ji tum paprang du de lo kwan ma ke charli ke thek nang ye dim tum thek dun de lo pasi o we kimi tum phan kang tur ponji phan mate tuwar ke me loti ke me ke than ponji phan si All Nilip Youth same seng bon lo pasi la bang so o we kimi tum kaching room labang kini tum isia ja kong lo nile tum kaching room pensi labang so hours tami touching tur pondi phani tum bori ponpo asi pini labang so mile ni tum dak inglong along ni na kipi pun bangila no.
More than 600 people of the locality attended the event and added charm to the celebration. Samson T from Koilamati, Longsudar T from Dipu, along with Sonjit Kro's report from Chokihola for Karbi Anglong Live. The Government of India had launched the Jal Jeevan Mission with an aim to provide clean drinking water to every household of the nation. The mission had begun its work in Karbi Anglong as well, and the KAC is supervising the work to ensure that the benefit reaches to all parts of the district. On Thursday, KAC and Pradeep Rongpi had inaugurated the Jal Jeevan Mission scheme in Punjab Borpathar under Dwar Amla constituency in the presence of MSc Prabhat Chandra Taro, officials of the PHE department and several BJP leaders from the constituency. EM Rongpi said that the newly inaugurated scheme will benefit the 193 households in the area. He said that once the Jal Jeevan Mission reaches all parts of the country, every household will get clean drinking water at their homes. Local village headmen and public expressed the gratitude to the KACEM for launching the scheme.
PHE department EM in charge akihai Rongpi EM sarpen ajir incluipen nilitum chingwailo ahok Prime Minister akihai har ghar jal Jal Jeevan Mission po amendment ghar ghar jal ghar ghar nal budapu labangso akon se babang alang li Gujarat Chief Minister ke duar ni pensi ada Gujarat apirthe state along lang ki jun longle lang kawipen saiti ki longle asonam modupit hala so hut pen sami lang ke pin me munit tumphan ke kenang sot bobang paniye pran pu bang asamis tum ki pudu pani obi hole kono prani jiai থাকিব নোৱাৰে
অসম চৰকাৰৰ নিৰ্দেশ আমি প্ৰত্যেক মাহটোত তাৰমানে গতিকে আমি ব'থ কাৰ্বি আংলং আৰু ৱেষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলং জল জীৱন মিছনৰ যিটো ঘৰ ঘৰ আমি সেই আঁচনিটো আমি আজি ইন'গ্ৰেট কৰিছোঁ পুঞ্জাৱ বৰপথাৰ ইয়াত আমাৰ 193 হাউচ গতিকে আজি ব'থ কাৰ্বি আংলং আৰু ৱেষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলং মিলাই পেলাই 3,183 ৰেট্ৰফিটিং তাৰমানে যিটো ঘৰে ঘৰে যিটো টেপ লগাই দিয়াটো আজি আমি চেণ্ট্ৰেলি এই পুঞ্জাৱৰ পথাৰত ৱেষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলঙত আমি
Vicky Bay from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. The heavy rain and storm which hit Dilai area on Wednesday evening resulted in the death of a 37-year-old man from Bhulujan village in Koila Langso. He died after he was hit by lightning spark. The deceased had been identified as Bablu Bahadur, a father of 2 children. He was a daily wager and was a bread earner of the family. According to his brother, Bablu went to work on Wednesday as usual. When he returned home in the evening, it was raining very heavily and he was completely drenched. Unfortunately, he was hit by the lightning spark when he was changing his clothes and died on the spot. His wife was also hit by the lightning, but she regained her senses after lying unconscious for some time. Luckily, the children were unaffected in the accident.
तो लसन हिलो जे पतुमी परफाइव क्लियर लो ला सिनिंग हमें जैसे मेटपेट ला दोलो मासी लद्दाख भालुजान पु लद्दाख कोयला लंगसो आहावार नेपाली बस्ती लो ऐसे पतुमी जैसे मेटपेट के ला सिनिंग हमें के रूपेन पिनंगान लद्दाख अहम असर मार्च तमे अपरानम जुलो ऐसे dak paklang ponengtung jola sining me ke rupen la meter box tami hinolo apen la hai anda me la ke sining me ke par rupen jogno la hai apina na mangela pu arlo si dulo arlo la dak hamso akam ke klempen si kebang polo masih kaduk we la jumlun polo jumlun pena masih alang tangta akeng angse la pen ke abangan da jumlun masih la dak karja pe sile hud masih alang bangke ladak kreptan lo puse arjulong lahelo board anda achet suprai lo board anda me la heno la lahelo ho achet bangke la ilake isivet polo la bang se la isivet akeng polo la paleng akeng lo la.
The family members informed that the lightning spark was so powerful that it broke one leg of the bed on which the children were seated inside the house. Apart from that, the electricity meter box and all switch boxes also suffered damage. Such damages have also been reported from the nearby houses.
কালি 29 ডেট আপোনাৰ 4:30 বজাত আমাৰ ভাইটিটো আদুৱা খুন্দিবলৈ গৈছিলে আদুৱা খুন্দি কিনে হাজিৰাত আদুৱা খুন্দিবলৈ গৈছিলে আদুৱা খুন্দি কিনে বৰষুণ গিৰিছে বৰষুণ গিৰাটোত খেতিত এৰি কিনে আহিছে ঘৰত আহি কিনে ঘৰত সোমাই কিনে তিতা কাপোৰ কিবা কৰি কিনে সলাই কিনে আপোনাৰ টাউল লৈ কিনে কাপোৰ চেঞ্জ কৰি কাপোৰটো সলাবলৈ কাৰণে সি এফালে কৰি আছিলে পাছত ডাঙৰ এটা জিলিকিয়ে বম নিচিনা ধৰক বিজলী মাৰি কিনে আপোনাৰ
বেয়া কৰিছে গছত মাৰিছে ইলেক্ট্ৰিক বৰ্ডত মাৰিছে আৰু ভিতৰতে ল'ৰা পৰি গ'ল আৰু আমি দুখীয়া কিবা চৰকাৰৰ পৰা কিবা মদত পাম নেকি কৈ ছাৰ
Father of the deceased person had pleaded before the gov to provide assistance so that the helpless wife of Bablu can take care of their 2 children. Vijay Rongpi's report from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today, and thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.